My name is Datta Sai. I am a student of ECC section. Now I would like to give seminar about DC mission construction. My roll number is 20BQ1A04G8. Before going to construction DC mission, let us discuss about what is meant by DC generator and DC motor. DC generator is the machine which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy is known as a DC generator, whereas the motor is reverse when compared to generator. Motor is a machine which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Construction. A DC machine consists of two basic parts, stator and rotor. The other important parts are described as a yoke. Here this is known as a yoke. The outer frame of a DC machine is called as a yoke. This is known as yoke. Yoke is made up of cast iron or steel. Yoke provides mechanical strength for a whole assembly of the DC machine. It also carries the magnetic flux produced by the poles acting as a magnetic path. Another one is poles. Poles is nothing but this one. Poles are to support field winding or coils which are wound around it. Poles are joined to the yoke with the help of screws or welding. Another one is pole shoe. Pole shoe is an extended part of the pole which serves two purposes: to prevent field coil from slipping and to spread out the flux in the air gap uniformly. Next one is field winding. Field winding is known as this one. Field winding. Field winding is a wound or pole or connected in series or parallel with the armature winding. Field coils are mounted on the poles and carry the DC extension current due to the while which pole core on which the winding is placed behaves as an electromagnet producing a necessary flux. Next one is armature core and armature winding. Armature core is the rotor of a DC machine. Armature core is cylindrical in shape on which slots are provided to carry armature winding. The armature core is laminated to reduce the eddy current loss. Armature winding can be wound by one of the two methods known as lap winding and wave winding. Next one is commutator. In DC generator, commutator is a mechanical rectifier which converts the alternating voltage generated in the armature winding into direct voltage across the brushes. In DC motor, commutator acts as a mechanical inverter which converts a direct voltage into alternating voltage. The commutator is made up of copper segments insulated from each other by mica sheets and mounted on the shaft of the machine. Another one is brushes. The purpose of brushes is to ensure electrical connections between the rotating commutator and stationary external load circuit. The brushes are made up of carbon or graphite and resist on the commutator. The purpose of brushes is to ensure electrical connections between the rotating commutator and the stationary external load circuits. The brushes are made up of carbon or graphite and resist on the commutator. These brushes are physically in contact with armature conductors, hence wire can be connected to brushes. And these are the main parts in the DC machine construction. Thank you everyone. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.